Yo, what's up, guys? Thanks for barking. What's up, guys? Welcome back. Today we have something very special for you. We have a new Z and a new team member. This is Steph. This is Steph's Z. We're gonna put some coilovers on it, and we're gonna put some suspension arms on it, because we're gonna take this thing out on the 5th to Pit Raceway, and she is going to start driving this car. Or drifting it, I should say. She's been driving it for a while now. And drifting's the next step.
A little bit of an issue.
We got a flat of the day. Where's Luke's dude at when you need him?
Flatter than yours or what?
Nah, dude, that's in there. So, these are... What up, all you cool cats and kittens? Alright, so we jacked the car up, got it on the stance. Took the wheels off. Took the wheels off. Now we're taking the strut bar off because we need to get to the bolts for the coilover. Down there, one's here, another one's there, and then the third one is under the strut bar. Alright, so we're gonna go ahead, remove the clips, and then we are going to unbolt the top. We'll catch you up here in a little bit. This is the original strut. This is the new coil, and we, as you can see, considerably shorter, and we're gonna make it even shorter because we want to go low. We're gonna see how low it goes. I'm sure every one of you guys want to see how low it goes too. So these are the Stance coils for the 350Z. XR1s. XR1s. Alright, so now that we got that off, we're going to go ahead and put the first one in. Hopefully it's as easy as it was taking it out. While Tom was working on putting the new coil in, I went ahead and took the other front out. So pretty much to remove it, you just got to take this off of the upper, stuff with the light. Okay, so to remove the stock one, you just take it off here. There is a cotter pin right there. Remove the brake line off the side of it. These slide off it as well, and then there is one bolt down here. Pretty straightforward, pretty simple. And yeah, these 350Z chassis are really nice to work on. Lots of room. Lots of cool drivers that drive them. So, shouldn't be too bad. Once we get the height adjusted, we will catch you back up, and then we're going to mimic the other side. We'll bring you along for the other side. We just need to get the one side straightened up. Diddly update. We are tightening the lock collars on the coilover. So, we finally got a good height, at least we think so. What did you say it was?
We say it's
low.
mint.
No, but inches.
That's what they call.
Probably about an inch and a half.
Inch and a half.
Quarter drop.
Okay.
Front.
All right.
So that's just right.
So inch and a quarter, inch and a half in the front.
So we're back. We've got both fronts on. We are to make sure that you put this wire. I know it's hard to see. It's for the brake. Goes in here on the side. Make sure it's on the left side of the coilover when you put it in, or else you have to take it back out.
That's what I like to see.
Oh, watch your fucking head, Johnny. Alrighty. That's nice.
back should be easy though.
Yeah. Okay, so now that you got that out, you're gonna want to drop this. You can take off that back there and take this whole thing out because we've got new ISR Pro Johnny's right here. So we're back from eating and now we are working on the rears. What we have already done is take out the strut. It's two nuts up top and one bolt nut on the bottom. And now Cory is taking out the spring and bucket setup because we won't need those because like I said, we got ISR arms and that replaces that.
These are a pain in the ass, especially whenever you can't get the impact on the right side. So you need to impact it from this side, but we can only get it to fit this way.
I just want to check it.
And yeah, so we fucked up a couple studs with this. And the fix and solution to that is the GK Tech Eccentric Kit.
What's up, guys? We're back. It's a new day. I got my glasses on so I can see what the fuck we're doing this time. We actually went and got some hardware from the parts store instead of doing the eccentric lockout kit because it's basically just grade 8 or 10.9 hardware anyways, so I'm not gonna pay $45 for it. So.
And they didn't have shit, so we had to mix metric with standard. But it works, whatever works.
Yeah, do what you gotta do to make it work, and we're gonna make it work, so here we go.
What you thinking?
Sideways, bitch.
Yo.
Alright, so I've got Cory under here bolting up the coil to the knuckle. A lot easier than we thought it was gonna be as to getting it the right height first time. We've got the toe arms in. So there's one and
Two. But we need to still
There's
hook
the-
up the coil to the...
oh, you haven't hooked the coil on that side?
No.
Alright, well, I'm gonna put the camber arm in, and that goes from here to here. And that is, do you have the arm? This arm right here.
Tom's pulling up that side. Got this side done up for the most part. It's all mocked up. It just needs tightened. And still need to put the sway bar up. Camber arm, toe arm, and coilover all attached. Like I said, it's just loose, needs tightened up. But Steph needs help. Show them the options. So we got neochrome with suede, or pink with suede. Drop a comment below, help our girl out. And it's going to go with that studded quick release. So look hella good. Are you leaning towards one or the other?
Probably the pink.
Probably the pink.
Yeah.
Don't vote pink. Vote for the neochrome. Nissan said that 7 out of 10 times you will break the upfill. So this is the stock nut, and they have this little washer on the one side, and they said that 7 out of 10 times you will fuck that up. So we went ahead and got a class 10. So we went ahead and got class 10 M12 by 1.25 fine course, and what we did is we went ahead and used a lock washer on the bolt head with a flat washer on the inside, and same thing on the other side, and rinse and repeat for the toe arm. So our girl is safe and there will be no play in it. She still needs to get alignment on Thursday. Alignment party Thursday. Her first drift event Sunday. Shake and bake Ricky Bobby.
Oh, fuck.
Got it? Oh, dude, that's not coming.
Put a fucking wrench on it.
That's not coming. What?
Put a wrench on it for leverage.
Oh,
Get it?
Yeah, buddy!
did you?
Alright guys, so what we did was we got the right side, the left side on, both toe arm and camber arm on. We've got both rear coils on, and man, does it look good. I mean, it looks pretty nice under here. It's gonna ride nice. What we're gonna do now is take the diff out because we got that welded over there.
Alright, so we got both sides mounted up, and this is where I come to think about life. And Tom's unbolting some of the bolts. So we are going to remove the differential while we are underneath here. This is a limited slip differential, and we got a welded somewhere over there. I think it's 6 bolts on each one, 6 or 7, I can't remember. They are 14s. The bolt back here is a 17. This is a 17, and I have a feeling that these are going to be a 17 as well.
We're gonna unbolt the drive shaft first, and then we're gonna put the jack underneath it, and then we're gonna take these bolts out so that this doesn't fall on top of us. Make sure that before you do that, you unplug the speed sensor, which is back here.
Speed sensor's right there.
It also connects up here on the subframe in 2 spots. So you have to rip that out so that it's not hung up there. I got you.
Ah, dude, it's tight.
That's what she
More
said.
muscles. Oh, put some back into it.
Put some back into it, baby.
Did you get it?
Yeah. Haven't you learned if I start throwing shit like that? Drop the fucking jack, actually. Oh, no.
Oh no, it's heavy as fuck.
It's fucking heavy.
Birthing a little baby.
Woo! So, we got the diff out. What a bitch. Kinda had to slide the sway bar up towards the front of the car, move the axle, and you gotta kinda come at an angle and bring it out. But there she is.
So we just filled the diff with some gear oil, 80-90 weight. It takes a 1.5 quarts, so fill, and then the empty is down here. We're gonna put this back up in there, bolt the axles on, and then that'll be that on this. And then to the drive shaft. Jack it up.
Yeah.
Send it to the moon.
Wait. Bring it towards me.
Okay.
Alright, jack it up.
Where you going, Mochi?
Hold up.
Upstairs.
Alright.
back up in. We've got the axles being bolted up. And that pretty much concludes this project. Other than slap the wheels on it, maybe adjust some toe, but let's get an alignment tomorrow at like 6:30. So it'll be good to go.
Alright guys, we officially got the car on the ground. It's super slim, looks super good. Steph is definitely gonna be low riding. As always, make sure you hit the like button, comment, tell us what you think, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Most importantly, what do you think? Alright, we'll take it. Woo! Looks good. It's low as hell. She should be able to drift the hell out of it. We're gonna try and make sure that the wheel's clear and everything, that there's no rubbing. And yeah, thanks again. And stay tuned for our next upcoming videos, and we'll catch you next time. Peace!